Hello everyone. Today I and my teammates would speak about a restaurant point of sale system that we chose to make a presentation on. After all the research we conducted, we figured out that Touch Bistro point of sale system would be our pick. Let us first consider the important points that are required to be considered while choosing a restaurant management system. To begin with, 24 by 7 customer support is utmost important. A customer might face an issue with the software at any point of time. He or she might want to fix that issue in non operation hours so that the restaurant does not suffer. For that, 24 by 7 customer support is required. In case of Touch Bistro, customers get the provision to contact the customer service team through the phone as well as the email at any point of time. Second thing which needs to be kept in mind while choosing a restaurant point of sale system is the ease with which one can use the software. What makes Touch Bistro different is that it has a very simple layout but also at the same time includes several customization options which a restaurant might require. Let's have a look at the interface and explore some really nice features. Suppose if we click on table 6, one can immediately assign a waiter or a waitress for the table and select the number of customers sitting around the table. There we go. Now we can simply add items from the active menus we see here. One can either keep individual orders under a head or combine order of two or more parties. In the checkout, customers can touch and make payments of their share individually. Not only that, tax can also be excluded from the bill. Even in tax exclusion, there is a bifurcation as to whether to just exclude tax on food or on alcohol or both. For future reference, it also asks to write a comment about tax exclusion. Apart from all this, restaurant management can also look at the guest check history, sales statistics, and reports. Touch Bistro has taken care of every minor possibility that can occur while operating a restaurant. The other important thing is offline availability of the restaurant point of sale system. The customer might make sure that the internet connectivity remains intact, however, contingencies might still occur. For some reason, if internet stops working, that shouldn't be the reason for interruption in the cash register of the restaurant. If, for instance, a customer uses a software which works only with the internet connectivity and suddenly the connection goes down, then this situation might create a mismatch in the actual cash available in hand and the cash that should be available as per the restaurant point of sale system at the end of the day. Reason being, without the internet connections, transactions couldn't be recorded in the restaurant point of sale system. Though it is not bad to have a stationary point of sale system, mobility of the iPad also allows the orders to be taken tableside and interacting with the customers in a whole new way. This way, customers get to know more about the menu items and make smart decisions. In turn, this makes the processes on the floor faster and easier. Apart from all this, Touch Bistro has some additional strong points that require prospects' attention. These are Touch Bistro kitchen facing display and Touch Bistro kiosk. Touch Bistro's kitchen display system pairs perfectly with your existing kitchen printer to help improve your back of house operation, whereas Touch Bistro's self ordering kiosk helps upsell by guiding patrons to order and upgrade items, generating you more revenue in the process. I now hand over the video presentation to my teammates who would proceed from here.
Hello everyone. I am going to talk about the data we populated the system with. We started populating the system with the restaurant information. We put the name, the address, the city, the state, the country, the zip code, the telephone number, and the email of the restaurant. Next, we make a floor plan. We have a floor plan with 6 square tables. We got the 6 tables over here. We got 8 circular tables. We got 6 over here and 2 over here. We have 4 rectangular tables over here and plus 10 bar stools and a cash register. Next, we have a staff types. We got 22 employees total. We have one assistant manager, 2 bartenders, two cashiers, and we finish with waiters. Next, we have a staff list. We have everyone names and their occupations right here. For example, we have Girendra, who is our manager. As menu categories, we have appetizers, dessert, cocktails, soft drink. We got beer, we got salad, side. Into these categories, we have salad, some salad, mixed salad with the price of $7.99, potato salad of $9.99, and going on. About the appetizer, we have bruschettas with the price of $7.99. We got every item we have the pictures, we got the name, the description, and the price. Next, we have dessert, it's the same. Pictures, the name of the dessert, the price. So, I will let Girendra talk about the pros and cons of the system.
Hello everyone. So I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of the system. So one of the pros of the system is that it doesn't require internet. It doesn't require Wi-Fi or internet to operate outside the initial download and software updates. And the second pros that it has is it's solid and easy design. It's really modern and attractive, intuitive and simple to navigate and use. And it's also low cost, very cost effective in grand scheme of POS options. The hardware costs are minimal. And the fourth one is the user friendly, in which um, it is very easy to quickly switch between different types of wine and food section. It is very easy to set up specials of the day and happy hour pricing. And for the fifth one, it's really excellent for all type of restaurants, because hardware system is simple and low cost, and the licensing fees are also cheap compared to gigantic POS systems. And for the cons, I like to say that it doesn't have all features. It doesn't have all the features for put a lot of its effort into the POS system, but the inventory management system is not really good. And the other problem with this is it has issues with the reporting system. There were few complaints about reports having irregularity and malfunction. And the other con is the not cloud based, so they don't have the cloud based system. They use the local ones, which means they have not much of the storage is done there, so works only on iPad. This is also other con, that it only works on the iPad. It doesn't work in Windows or some other systems. And for the conclusion, I would like to say that there are several POS systems in the market, and all might have pros and cons, but in our opinion, Tots Bistro is perfect blend of pros and cons that POS should have. Thank you.